Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set dark mode in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then we tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and here we have app appearance. We can tap on this. Then we can select either match system, which means that the app is going to use the same theme settings as the phone has, as our device has. We can tap on always light, so it's going to be always in light mode, or always dark, so it's going to be always in dark mode. Or we can set up a custom app theme as well. The problem is that this is only available in the Snapchat Plus subscription, but we can stick to dark mode if we would like to. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.